Hello, this is Dr. Victoria Skirbo, and this is your astrological weather for Tuesday, January 5th. Today, the moon continues to move through Scorpio. It's a very intense day. Of course, it's always intense when the moon moves through Scorpio, but that is not the only reason for intensity today. Today, we have a square between Mercury and Mars. Mercury right now is in Aquarius, and Mars is in Scorpio. This is a first quarter square, a crisis in action, and so we feel the need to take an action. Of course, Mars is the action planet, so that's indicative of any aspect to Mars. And when we're dealing with Aquarius and Scorpio, we are dealing with our shared resources and the best distribution of those resources. So people are really questioning that right now and what we need to do, how we need to move forward to make this world more fair. At the same time, we have a square between Venus, which is now in Sagittarius, and Neptune, which is in Pisces. This is a last quarter crisis in consciousness, crisis in belief square. And so our religious persuasion comes up against the need for compassion. How does what we believe line up with compassion? Do we have some beliefs that are perhaps magical thinking that we need to really look at? We have to remember now that the North Node is in Virgo, and the North Node really is our way forward. And in Virgo, we do have to look at things in a practical way, workable solutions. That is really the way forward for us. So as much as we would like unicorns and butterflies, if there isn't a practical application to that, then perhaps we need to rethink some things. And then today is also a conjunction between the Sun and Pluto. This is an annual conjunction. It happens once a year. Pluto is in Capricorn now, so this will always happen when the Sun is in Capricorn. We are planting the seeds for a new illumination around our own sense of power and powerlessness. Interesting that it would occur on the same day as these other two aspects. And then last but certainly not least, today Mercury goes retrograde. Mercury goes retrograde at 2 degrees of Aquarius. It spends most of its retrograde in Capricorn. So we will be reviewing the structure of our reality, the structure of our minds. We will be reviewing our relationship to power or our lack of relationship to power. This is a very pensive, introspective year. We have 4 Mercury retrogrades this year. All of them, for the most part, are in Earth. So practical application is front and center. Let's see, is there anything else going on? I think that's enough. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.